Let's start with a definition of DevOps. Put simply, DevOps is a collaborative approach to development of digital products. As government increasingly relies on digital services and technology to meet citizen demands, this DevOps process is becoming critical to ongoing operations. You see, in any organization that creates its own technology applications or software, there are two broad teams that complete that task: developers and IT operations staff. Traditionally, these teams follow a linear development process. First, developers create code for the service based on broad parameters provided by leadership. Then, once the developers build the product, they send it to the operations team to deploy and manage. This handoff is often referred to as tossing it over the wall because operations and development staff pass the product off without truly understanding how each team is using the application. It's like there's a wall between them that prevents transparency or real communication. That creates all sorts of problems. Because developers don't have a clear view of how operations will use the service, the product they create often doesn't stand the test of real-world deployment. The new service can disrupt existing workflows, overload or damage current IT systems, compromise security, or even fail regulatory requirements because developers didn't have enough information during development. In some instances, operations teams create workarounds to use the service. More often, they have to toss it back over the wall so that developers can fix bugs, increase security, or alter other features. When errors are significant, this reversal can be especially disruptive to other coding projects, as developers focus on immediate fixes to the already deployed service. On the other side of the wall, operations personnel are left waiting for their needed applications to be improved and redeployed. Both sides lose time and resources while the product is tossed back and forth. End users suffer too, because they have to wait longer to access the completed online government service. DevOps is a project management methodology that solves the problematic product handoff between developers and operations staff. Instead of operating in silos, both teams collaborate on a project from start to finish. They're using the same platforms, speaking the same language, and sharing everything they do on a project in real time. That's DevOps, the melding together of developers and operations staff operationally, culturally, and technically.